Hello guys, morning. Maghimo ta og torta na sad kay ami man ikaw nog torta karong adlaw. Nya. Mag-mixture na ta sa ingredients guys. Ito nga sa butter, half cup butter, 3 eggs. 3 eggs, mao na ni akong mixture 3 eggs. 1 can of evaporated milk. 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil, cooking oil guys, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then now I'll go the ingredients. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a baking soda, and baking powder teaspoon as well, and then 2 cups of sugar. That's my ingredients of my torta guys.